Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today. I'm going to talk about my community service activity with the title SODO, the art of improving for cross-cultural understanding. And this is our team, consists of me, Rosi Rosia from the Japanese Language Department, Faculty of Language Education, and then we have Muhammad Muhajir from Arabic Language Department, Faculty of Language Education, and the last is Aisyah Nur Hajiza from Japanese Language Department, Faculty of Language Education. Why we choose the SODO as the topic of this research is because every individual comes from a group, region, or country with their own unique culture. Understanding culture is important as it shapes how people interact and communicate, and lack of cultural understanding may lead to misunderstanding or conflict. Young people are increasingly exposed to foreign culture, such as Japanese culture, through social media and trends. Cross-cultural understanding, or CCU, helps students adapt when studying or working abroad. SODO, as an effort of enhance cross-cultural understanding with traditional Japanese aesthetic values of Zen Buddhism. The objective of this research is the study involves 6 students at junior high school in Muhammadiyah Grand School, Yogyakarta. The target on the scope of this research is the main objective of this research exam, how will Sodokan improving cross-cultural understanding. And the methodology, the research design approach, we use quantitative approach and ability examining the interaction between variables. And the design is the quasi-experimental design to compare pre-test and post-test. And the data gathering technique, the data collection produced using a 10-item multiple choices test that mainly measure the student knowing about cross-cultural understanding and SODO. Tests were administered by twice, pre-test before intervention and post-test after intervention. Students were given the teaching treatment using SODO for 3 meetings. And the data analysis score from the pre-test and post-test, it was analyzed using Microsoft Excel, and the statistical comparison to compare the pre-test and post-test score using an independent t-test. And for the data collection, a 10-item multiple choice test was given twice, pre-test and post-test, and the SODO intervention. Following the pre-test, student given the teaching treatment. Participant 6 students at a junior high school in Muhammadiyah Green School, Yogyakarta. And the test means cross-cultural understanding using an independent t-test to compare the pre-test and the post-test scores. The results show that the table 1 is indicated that the pre-test mean score 49 with a standard deviation of 6.63, where the post-test mean score of 81 with a standard deviation is 5.83. This information implies that this was an increase in the average between the pre-test and the post-test. And the statistical analysis showed that the independent test identified a statistically significant difference in the result between the pre-test and the post-test after using SODO for improving cross-cultural understanding. A t-value of minus 32, degree of freedom a value of 5, and a significance two-tail value of 0.001 support this conclusion, since the significance value is less than 0.05. The data is considered statistically significant, and consequently the null hypothesis is rejected, And the alternative hypothesis is accepted. The mean that the post test with a mean 81 and the standard deviation is 5.83 were higher than the pre-test with the mean 49 and the standard deviation is 5.70 prior to the intervention. This suggests that the student in improving in cross-cultural understanding after using SODO, there was a significant improvement. The conclusion of this study is SODO is highly effective method for changing student cross-cultural understanding and has been proven to significantly improve student ability to practice SODO. And the result of the pre-test and the post-test saw a gradual and significant increase after the SODO intervention. This method offers a visual and interactive way for students to engage with Japanese culture, making a SODO an effective supplementary subject to improve cross-cultural understanding. Through SODO, students are introduced to the traditional aesthetic value of Japan from Zen Buddhism. And this is our program documentation. Thank you very much. Akhirul kalam, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.